Here at the Corn College campus, we've set up garden sprinklers across the cornfield. We started this early and we continue to do it, and we'll do it right up to the event. Now you might look at these garden sprinklers and say, Ken, well, you can't irrigate corn with a garden sprinkler. And that's true. But all we're trying to do is get an environment conducive to disease. So we're watering in the evening and early morning, trying to keep the leaf surface wet. One of the breakouts this year will be going into the field and actually doing disease identification, especially tar spot, that new one on the block that's given us a lot of trouble. So you're going to learn how to identify it as well as other diseases, where it is in the plant, and when it came into the plant. And from there, then you're going to make a 4R application program. What is the right product timing? How do we manage it? Our conventional timing for fungicides may not work for this tar spot. Our conventional applications, especially aerial applications, may not work for this tar spot. We may have to make some changes to manage it depending on when it comes. So hopefully this breakout will give everybody some take home on how we're going to manage this monster, this tar spot. Now, at the same time, it gives us a training place for our employees, plus it gives us a good handle on all those acres our customers have under irrigation. So we can, day by day, we can check this field and we know when the status changes out there and how fast it's going to develop. Under that irrigation is where we got a lot of risk.